Hello, this is Mark with a cutting die review. When I mass produce paper, I use a lot of different cutting dies, and to make this paper I use about 20 different cutting dies, and mass producing the paper is actually really done really quickly. And using cutting dies saves time, and I have developed 3 different kinds of cutting dies. If you find a company that makes cutting dies, you can go ahead and email them your print and work out your design on Excel, and you can submit your design and have a company make your cutting dies for you. So what I did was did just that. I had a company work with me on this original cutting die, and this is actually the first one, and it says recommended size. This is what I told them I wanted, and so I started mass producing these cutting dies and selling them online. And then because of the demand with different size origami models, started making the medium size plate, and then lastly the small paper plate. If you were to cut the small ones out, you'd have a pretty hard time, because this is the normal size paper that you would get from a regular size piece of paper. And I'm doing this to show you that, of course, folding this paper for normal size cones takes a long time to do, and then I'm going to go ahead and fold this in half for you and show you the regular. This is the original way to cut and make an origami block or origami cone. I think it's better to come up with a standardized way. This is the easy folding paper made from the cutting dies. This is 25 mil paper, and you fold it in half, it becomes 50 mil. This is about 50 mil to 65. You end up with the same size cone. So what do you do when you make, this is a full-size cone, so what do you do when you make a half-size cone or a small-size cone? Very difficult to cut these small pieces of paper out, and I'll just go ahead and show you with this video. If you want to make a model that's small by using the YouTube videos online, you can do so. I just cut out 40 pieces of little papers, 40 of them, just now, all done, ready to go. And as you can see, there's embossed lines. They're kind of hard to fold at first, but when you do fold them a lot, then you won't have any problem folding them after a while. You could even use tweezers if you like. So this is my review for cutting paper quickly and mass producing 3D origami paper. You can make kits, you can make models, you can sell them. You could also buy this cutting machine and buy some cutting dies to mass produce and start your own business. It's been my pleasure to show you how to cut paper. This is another review from 3D Origami Dream Bank.